Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Albert Obaze do video yesterday evening concerning one guy we report to am. Say Comrade Stanley Osaze Osahunokodi join the people we grab the land we him buy for 12 million naira. Today, Comrade Stanley Osaze don't come here now, come respond to the video. Make I leave you now, make you hear from Comrade Stanley Osaze Osahunokodi.
Yes. I know this is a busy morning and we need to go directly to the point of discourse this morning. And as far as we are concerned in our contemporary urban world, when you keep mute in the face of an alleged attack, it therefore means that silence is consent. So, and because of that, I need to come out to express my own opinion in respect to this issue. But first, I use what I fear most, what I respect most, and what I believe most to solemnly swear that all what I'm going to say here is going to be the honest truth and nothing but the truth. I cannot be cowed into fighting a cause that I know nothing about. Even if you want me to be part of the cause, I should be called upon. Then I will know if I will be involved or not. But trying to pass through all corners just to cow me or pressure me into it, I will state it categorically clear that I am not a sacred cow. Now, yesterday I was on a live video. I know where all this is coming from. I actually know. It still borders on leadership tussle in Igbomo community. Leadership tussle in Igbomo community. I never knew since yesterday, but as at this morning by 4 a.m., I already deduced what is going on. And I want to state my own part of the story. I have never come out here on social media to deny the fact that I was not the vice chairman. In fact, anybody who comes to say he's a vice chairman, the person heard from me. I was the one who said I was duly elected into the position of vice chairman in the Igbomo community after the elders came to beg me for more than 2 weeks that I must run for the position. That was how I emerged as the vice chairman. Not through the back door. In fact, as we speak, for those who want to get details, go to the DSS office today, go to the commissioner office today, go to the state government office today. They recognized our presence in that particular regime. As at yesterday evening, while I was on the live video, thanking those who actually organized the social media conference. The truth of the matter is, when somebody does what is right, and you know the thing has light, certainly you must applaud. So various interest groups, maybe some persons thought that I will not be part of that, owing to the fact that we have some pockets, grievances in our various hearts and minds in respect to what we did in the elections and what is expected after the elections. But this same set of people came out publicly to say what they did for the elections was purely from their heart. They were not expecting anything. It was only Osahunokodi who said that I was actually fighting for stomach infrastructure. Let me not digress. Now, so while I was hailing it, somebody drew my attention that there was a video going on in Albert Obaze's page in respect to an alleged land grabbing activity involving Osahunokodi. I said, what? So I took her time to listen, and I have to call. With intervention of commenters who were insisting that crave the indulgence of Osakwano Bode. Let's hear his own part of the story. Despite that, I was still limited from discussing in that discussion. But I deem it fit today to come out to express my full opinion in respect to what actually transpired on the said land. Truth to my heavenly Father, I don't even know anything in respect to that transaction. Now look at what happened. In fact, that said caller, the who said he's the owner of the land, I have not even met him. In the video, in the audio played by the man, he said that I made an advert in respect to land along the road. And it was not specific that the land was along the road, but he said I made an advert in 2016. The picture he displayed was when we just emerged and we've already taken over Igbomo's boundary. There has been a dispute which they acknowledge, and the Supreme Court ceded that land to Igbomo owing to the fact that the historical antecedent proved that the land belongs to Igbomo community. And as a vice chairman, I will not come out here to lie to anybody. Any vice chairman who said he did not sell a single land, that vice chairman is a liar. And I think I have emphatically announced this time without number that I was a vice chairman and I sold land. Even when we were taken to our asset committee, I openly told Osaroida, I said I sold land in the committee. Why would I be lying? But believe you me today, I'm going to give you the honest truth. Let me begin to itemize and let me start one after the other. Please share this video. Share this video. Abalobaze yesterday said he refused to call because we saw ourselves in the dodges. He greeted me and I said, don't try me. This is, which is true. You cannot be attacking me on social media on the basis of what you think in your mind. Then on ground you are laughing with me. No. If we are playing, let us be playing. If we are not playing, let us know that we are not playing. We cannot be living in pretense. On a daily basis, you go to line to try to destroy my image. Then on ground, you are telling me how far now. No. So that was why I shunned him and I said, do not greet me. If you greet me past like that, everywhere will spoil here. I have never come out on social media to tell everybody that I am so cool. I never tell anybody. I have never pretended to anybody. Even when I'm talking on Facebook, I will still tell you, I am not better than those people. I already try my best to be okay. I am not perfect. I am not Jesus. I am only doing what I'm supposed to do rightly. First, the boy who called Evans was never my PA in the first place. That boy was the PA to the chairman of Igbomo community. As of then, all true. In fact, I have said this before, and I'm going to repeat it again. For those who wants to be aware, the community is not far. Just take your vehicle. Even if you are in abroad, you can send someone, go and investigate. I am telling you publicly, 65 to 70% of land developers in Igbomo community don't know me. I have never been to the bush to seize a single property from anybody. I have never done that. Now, that guy was the PA to the chairman. Then what happened? It was also true that when Mr. Jolly came to my community, he said he wants to buy a land. Through this Evans, before I go there, this man who called yesterday alleged that I made an advert in respect to land for sale. Then he now contacted Evans. I was the one who made an advert. You saw my advert. You saw my inbox. You didn't look for my phone number to say, no, you advertise the land. I want to buy. You contacted somebody. And now you are trying to manipulate the story because you want me to be involved. But let me tell you, I know where all this is coming from. And I will get there. There is a power tussle in the Igbomo community. And some set of persons are angry that have refused to take part. I will get there. It's one after the other. Because I get my own ability to defend myself. So when you allege me, I will come out to speak. Now, when the man came to the community, Mr. Jolly had somebody excuse me. client, I don't start work this morning. Where are you now? Okay, you have to take it to don't go to car. I bet you put that for push bar. Sorry, please. Now, what actually happened? That Mr. Johnny is a member, he was once a member of the All Progressive Congress, a senior member. As we speak today, he's a member of the PDP. The man came to the community. He wants to buy land. Which land? They had already showed him a land. It's like the land was 200 and 200. The man agreed to pay this. After a series of negotiation, the man agreed to pay the sum of 5.5 million. They brought the money to the community. In fact, as we speak, that particular land, the man has secured it. He has built it as we speak right now. So, within that transaction, it was over. I will not lie to anybody that I did not sell land. I have. Then, after like 3 months, when we demarcated the boundary, the new chairman as then said this particular area has been earmarked for the youth secretariat. Very good. We needed a secretariat. No problem. Very good. After like 3 months or so, I saw somebody walking on the land, fencing a would-be secretariat. And I asked, what did they happen for you? They said that chairman said the land for the man. Ordinarily, I do not have the right whatsoever to question the chairman in his authority. And I said, okay, no problem. I remain focused with my activities. God knows that until yesterday, that was when I confirmed the amount of money expended on that land. The land Mr. Jolly came to buy that was aware of, and which I will never deny. As we speak, for those who wants to be aware, come, it's on ground. I will take you to where the land is. I don't know how managed. Then you claim that they sold the land to you. I was aware. You were those who cooked the story to drag me in. They may tell you very well, but you were not able to comprehend it. Where you got from the initial stage was when you said that Evans, popularly known as Leteke, was my PA. He was never my PA. That was the PA to the youth chairman. I was never aware of the transaction. In fact, the man said he called me. Hello, you referred to me? On what ground? I don't even know this man now, as we speak, apart from Mr. Johnny, who came to the community to buy illegal land. In fact, as a vice chairman, the chairman, for those who wants to be aware, I can bring out the number of the secretary, although I did not tell him that I want to call him. So, if I call him and place him on media, he may not want to speak. But for those who are interested to know, I can send his details to you for confirmation. I will speak clearly. I sold land in Iguomo, not compared to the land even some ordinary youth sold. Where did I get my own from? Then, as I see when the government had not disbanded CD, I was getting development. What you people call a molu today. In fact, I see many, I eat many. It was an administration, a legal administration at that. We were in charge of over 70,000 plots of land. I think if you still go to the community tomorrow, the community is there. Go and investigate to Sakuno. They will tell you. Now, that is the first segment. This man, as far as we are concerned, he never told me that he's going to buy that particular land. And I don't have the right whatsoever to now begin to question the youth chairman, why did you do it? I state this clearly. All through my regime, I did not slap a single person. If I have slapped you before, that as a vice chairman will just come to your side, come back on this media to say this is what was going to do to me. I was not aware of your transaction. If if you want me to be part and parcel of your fight, you call me. Hello, my brother. In fact, let me tell you now, I never even knew that somebody somewhere bought this land behind the back. It was this Johnny that called me again to say, you come bring Ibadomo. I said, what? I said, have you reached out to the youth chairman who sold the land to you? He said, no, he never see the youth chairman. They say he traveled out. That's the youth chairman is around. Let me send his phone number to you. I was the one who gave them the number to reach out to the youth chairman. I was the one who gave Mr. Jolly the phone number. Call Mr. Jolly online. Mr. Jolly will tell you that I was the one who gave him the phone number to reach out to the youth chairman. I was called upon by AIT on this matter. And I told them, well, I was never aware of any of this land transaction. And I'm stating this clearly. If the man who alleged thinks that Osakun of Woli is involved in this land matters, let him go to appropriate quarter to submit a petition. In fact, the best place to go is to write an official petition to the state government. The state government, you need to use his followers as a scapegoat. If I am into it, I should be scapegoated. I was not aware that you want to buy land. You did not tell me. The only land you bought through us, it has been secured. You have built it. You did not tell me that you are going there again to buy other land. And ask the Mr. Johnny, if you want me to go and bring out Mr. Johnny's phone number, I'll bring it out, you call me. Mr. Johnny never approached me that he wants to buy the proposed community secretariat. I was not the one who proposed it. Now, in respect to the advert on land, as we speak, I sold a land personally along the road. And I regretted selling that land today as a result of afterthought. Why? The land I sold yesterday, as of today, is one of the most lucrative land. If I had invested my investment on that land, I know what I'll be getting today. As at then, I was still having the same idea of community activity. Not until recently, when exposure gives us a little opportunity to understand the fact that you cannot eat your tomorrow for today. That is that in that regard. The only transaction I know about is the land sold to Mr. Jolly, and Mr. Jolly has secured that land. What did Mr. Jolly expect from me? You went, I don't know if it's Mr. Jolly or the other man who bought from the back. You bought a land at a cost of 12 million naira, according to you. I did not eat from it. I was the vice chairman. You did not call me. You saw my advert. You did not inbox me. You did not call me on phone. Then you are having problem now. You are saying I should come back to go and fight in the community. I was the vice chairman, and you paid 12 million naira. I did not eat a dime as a vice. The land grabbing cases that we are talking about in the deep state. Nobody is paying us to be there. It is a voluntary contribution. It is a voluntary work. The adjusted government did not commission us. Neither will I need not commission. But because of the passion and the love, and because of the fact that we are aware of the tricks, the whims and caprices of this set of communal land grabbers, we know the strategy. That was why we decided to come out to say, let us confront these people to the latter. That is that. Now, for the purpose of edification, even the first 2x2 that we sold to that particular, to Mr. John, I was not even the one who went to go and point that land. I was not even there. Ask everybody. Those who knows. I have never been at the front line in any land matters. That is not to say I did not benefit. If I say I did not benefit, it shows that I am ungrateful to the community and I am ungrateful to myself. And those who as well supported me to become the vice chairman of that community as I did. Now, what happened recently? When the regime was still going on before the elections, the youth chairman traveled out. The youth chairman of my community traveled out without my knowledge. Because at then, he was pocketly accusing me of trying to rebel his government, that want to take charge. And I never have such intention. Why would I have a negative intention against a man? I was driving to my house. The first Mercedes-Benz CLK that I was driving, Comrade Owenaze Jumbo bought it for me. The Infinity Jeep FS35 that I own till tomorrow, Comrade Jumbo Owenaze gave me the Infinity Jeep. But on a land transaction in our community, and as advice, he said, this one is for you. I picked it. I'm not an ungrateful person. So he traveled. On getting back, he was shocked that I never even smelled to get close to the position, even when he spent more than 6 months in abroad. I never even called a single penny to say, Dada is not around, come and make me the chairman. Then when he returned, he continued his administration. As at then, I had already walked to him to say, bros, as at now, I don't retire from this communal government. Because both small pikin, both always see you and always see you, all will be insulting you. I am not a community product. If not because of the fact that they came to my house to beg, I am not supposed to be a community until today I'm paying the price. I'm not a community product. It is the truth. But I was pressured into accepting that position. And thank God, I benefited the position as well. I cannot, as I have said before now, and I'm going to repeat it again, what I'm saying here is going to be the honest truth and nothing but the truth. Then later, after the activity, the youth chairman traveled again without my knowledge. He didn't tell me. And by then, we have already started elections. I now approached the community youth. And I told them, my dear brother, I am no longer in position. If I continue to fight for position now, it will look like a man who is carrying elephant and continue to use his leg to pick at it. Said no. So for now, I am okay. We have not even started this case of land grabbing. This is 2019. Yes, in early 2020. Because by 2019, I've already withdrew. The official statement was in 2020. Now, later on, the youth, we now started this land grabbing issue. The youth chairman now came from abroad. For more than a week, he tried to reach out to me. He was not able to reach me. So one of the days I was chanced and I told him, check, I am around. Let's meet. We now met ourselves in one hotel called High Star. He asked, he now said, what is happening in the community before I came? I said, I will not lie to you. When you left, me I enter us. So for now, I not get updates. God knows, says since day God reached I enter us. If not in this matter, and nobody good. I not get any call. I enter house. I not a drag for any position. And I will get to the state of Igbo community to be. There is a fight for position going on in the community. Yes. And the reason why Zaporoko is being mentioned. For this, nobody should insult Abat. For this. I don't blame Abat. But Abat did not know that he's working for some interest. He's not aware. To him, it's against land issue. But I want to tell him now, through this medium, Please check your activities well. You are fighting for people when you don't know. I'm telling you, but I will explain that. So when he came, we met at the hotel, and I said, my dear brother, he said, what is happening in the community? I said, as you enter us, now so me I enter us. He said, the Lord will fit come collect this position. I said, check, you are right. But to me, I know the position again. I cannot be fighting land grabbing in other communities. And I'm perpetrating the same thing in my community. If the area, which area they want, what people want to, I am not a party to it, please. He doesn't say he knows how to arrange his formation. I said, I have resigned. He now replied me by saying, if you say you have resigned, who did you submit your resignation letter to? I know I approved it for you. That I am the vice. I said, no, I am not. That was how we left that particular meeting. I am not in any, some persons were there in any position. Now, I was surprised. How on earth? Now I don't know how to take back. Now I don't know how to take set. Now I don't know how to take the money. Now I don't know how to take enjoy. You want to drag me put? May God not let me get benefit. Not let me carry problem for what I don't know nothing about. If not the land will sell for you, who sell the land to that journey? I don't know this other man. They don't even package this man well. To say the package and well. If I don't make mistake, to just say the take care of my PA. Evans. They didn't package him well. So he made a mistake in that regard. Will I not deny my community? Look at what happened. Now look at why I am being dragged into this. After all said and done, they were Evans Oloko. Hello? Hold on. After all said and done, they were power tussle in the community. Already, Usagono, what is in Bush A, Bush B, Bush C? I don't withdraw. Who friend they say naim? Who they call say naim? I sat at the back. So that I will prevent today what they happen so that they don't go hear waiting me talk inside. This party go come and say, hello, my brother. I said, you're now the busy at the work. Call me back. Call me back. Then, the elders of the community now called a meeting of the entire community and the youths. Because I am fighting land grab. If my community wants to hold a meeting, I will say I will not be there. I am enemy of my community. No. If somebody wants to buy a legitimate land today in my community, I know where to take them through. They will go and buy land. We are not saying that the community no longer sell land. They sell. But it should be done rightly. When they call, that, in fact, I was on my bed. It was the immediate past secretary that worked in our regime that called me to say, that's the old me. I ran there. On getting there, I noticed that they were confining Okayele on Caesar in Odumebe. I said, ordinarily, this position will make themselves draw salary to it. People they should go put. They'll nearly die, they don't come out. They will nearly die. They will say, hey, I don't agree. Now, bros, if they read that video, they start to get the bomb. One with their own. Wow. This position, when I tell so, then they should go to remain. I single-handedly say, I don't do again. Now, Immediately, when they finished the celebration, I bought drinks. I bought drinks for all the youths. And I left. Now, where this is coming from, I know. But I want to be sincere. There are some set of group of persons who are now agreed that Osagbonokode refused to be part. My future did not start from land. Nobody should come and drag me into communal matter. I sold land in the past. Me said that problem will be the set to Isai body. My brothers and sisters. That particular land where this man did talk. And when you transfer money to them, he said they sent somebody to me to the bank and not transfer the money. Was I there? I go here say you want to pay 12 million naira. I don't go take. For going to money from invest, I don't go green take. Even if you don't tell me the venue, I go also you to know. I was not there. If you want to call on me to accept and to assist you, it's a different case. Don't cow me into it. And I want to state this clearly. This is not the kind of land grabbing that I fight. If you want me to get involved, you are a land person who fighting land grabbing. There's one happening in your community right away, please. Huh? Where? Two approach. One, I reach out to the appropriate I beg. Now my community with this. I have told them before, I want to say this again clearly. I said, if anything related to land grabbing come out in this community, go and confirm with us. I said, I will be the one to drag you. We cannot be dragging others when we are hiding us. But the approach adopted by this man, to me, is an aberration. And for those who packaged him, they did not package him very well. Calling Lekete Evans my PA. He was never my PA. That was the youth chairman's PA. Even till today, when I call him sometimes, I say, PA, you say, I'm not a PA. Till date. This happens on 1 week ago. Say, I'm not a PA. I do not know the kind of loyalty that they expect from me. I gave 100% loyalty till I left. So, whoever is fighting for power, they should fight for their power. Leave me out of it. The one where we say together is somebody near them. We all will go and defend it. That's a verse. I don't know how that thing happen. Then the while I come and you call me say come. I can only come in as a man that want to fight land grabbing. And all the perpetrators will be brought to book. And not the other way around. I want to officially commend Dada Masses. I want to commend Dada Masses. He made a video yesterday. I was not able to watch the video. But what he said that the point was that we must grant Osagbonokode the right to fair hearing. I am not running away from where I stay. Oga, if I am party to those who sold land to you, drag me out now. The land we sold to Mr. Johnny has secured it. Where you bought, it was the chairman that identify that area as the community secretariat. Maybe na me for fair or go sell herself. If to say me no say they not be secretariat. Before you even sell her, before say. I will not pretend here. Because from 2016 to late 2017, all what we did was legal. Because CATDA was not banned. It was illegal activities in Edo State. So, Edo people, anything I say here, it is the truth and nothing but the truth. And I have said I'm not a party to any community position for now. In my community, as a free-born indigene, I can be out your tomorrow. If you reach my turn, I know say I know carry. For those who are beneath, and for those who understand community matters, you know what I'm talking about. I was shocked to say, I've been telling Sabolokoni to say, leave my land. Why will you tell Sabolokoni to tell them to leave your land? I never stepped my foot on your land. I never want to carry anything like bulldozer, anything to your land. I know even you never been work for the first one day. They can come and say, why you dey work? I'm not near your land at all. Then what you come before? I don't even know you when they come from abroad now. I don't know you. I don't know what you then the from me. I know. No, I'm not going to say I don't know. This thing is from two angles. From the business angle, where would they? One is from the business angle. Second, from the community angle. Vested interest thinks that with Osagbonokponi synergy, they can achieve their aim. From the business angle, Osagbonokponi is merely a threat. But even if I will in real life, they are true. Even if you want to call me to assist you, you do not need to allege me. You, my brother that is calling that called from diaspora, the phone number that you are using now to reach to the youth chairman to discuss, ask Johnny who gave it to him. Now let me tell you, for those who are believers, I wait your army. Elders of community cannot take decision. I will not say no, what you talk not correct. No. Who be me? I cannot wait to be beaten out of power before I resign. I'm not a desperate person. So please, nobody should insult or attack about Obasa in this post. I have my reasons. Because even if he picked it to suit his need, but he was not privy to the right information. But the only place I will blame him is this. That masses, we are not in total agreement. He has been calling me since 3 days. According to him, I was not able to pick. It was this morning. Somebody called me, you don't see the video. I now seek for his number to reach out to him. So, when there is an opportunity to pick up something, to hit, don't be quick to hit. Investigate. Because what you don't enter media is enough to destroy the image of an individual. But this one, I was laughing since yesterday. Because who is going to equity must come with clean hands. Okay? If you can spend 12 million naira to buy a land, you should be able to spend 2 million naira to get to crack all those who encroach into your land. Take decision. Get to me. if I'm involved. You know you cannot even call me. You know you can't call me. That's the truth. You can't. The only reason why you are supposed to call me in the past is if you had approached me. Those are going to beg. More help me fight this matter. This one in your community, you have under your nose. I will evolve. But for now, you can't call me. But you cannot allege me wrongly. And you are not calling me again to assist you. No. The only call you can call me now is if you cannot even write a petition and have my name, you know I did not send to you. You know. You cannot even drag me in. You can't. Or are you going to forge the paper that I signed? The only document I signed was document given to Johnny, and he has built it. He has secured his property. If peradventure anybody wants to even go there, hello, Mr. Johnny, we'll diplomatically arrange everything. I don't believe in war. But for you to just come out to allege me wrongly and you want me now to assist you to do it, it will be difficult. I know a record here by record. For those who understand my point, know this, that it's as a result of the intimidation that I choose to say no, I will not be party to it. Nobody's paying me to fight Nandirabe. We are fighting it because we know our brothers and sisters, most of those in the diaspora, are suffering to make their resources. Nobody should begin to take an advantage of that. Now, social media summit finished in the afternoon. War starts in the evening. Why? Was that maybe the organized summit? Or was it the closeness to the government? Let me not cast aspersion. Let me not cast aspersion. We are all mature. So, my brothers and sisters around the world, I have stated my point clearly. I know nothing about it now. If I have the boy's phone number now, the man's phone number, I would have placed him on call. He said, he blocked me. I don't even know you. How will I block you? Maybe you are using one of these studios accounts to talk on my page, and I block you. You have never told me anything in respect to land. I don't even know. I'm not saying that for you. I not even call you one day. Mr. Jolly stays in Benin. Mr. Jolly knows how to get me. Mr. Jolly, on a daily basis, we meet in the SSG's house. Jolly has never called me because he knows who sold land to him. The only call he called me was when he said, hey, give me the take the phone number, reach out to the leader. That was all. So I was shocked now to see that I've been dragged into all this. Please share this video. Share this video. Share this video. May God continue to bless you all. And for those who actually believe in me, somebody said, why did you call? You're not supposed to call. No. See, I am not an introvert. Hello, please, I'm on live. I'm on live. You dey say make I help her out. Na true you talk. I for fit help her out, bros. This my brother dey call me from that. I for fit help her out, bros. Even you when they call me, I not too know you like that. But thank you for calling me from it. Good. But bros, you know why I no go fit help for this matter? I dey talk in public. I no dey pretend. I'm not a pretender. If you want me to, you say you take call me now. Hello, comrade, see the one I did. Alpha. We go come in, we go talk. Baby. Now we say you want to go bring me down. That was going to help. If I do that, I'm a goat. Go and fight your property yourself. Do not drag me in. I hear you. Good. Boss, yes. I don't tell you lie. You are very right. All of us will be human beings. When they do you something, it will pay you. You see, what did this man do so? He paid me reach the bone marrow. I'm not saying that for you. I know the way you buy. I not bring you come. I not call you. I not see one naira for your money. You not give me. But you, when you get issue now, you say, tell us I'm going to put. Tell us I'm going to put. Was that your party to it? Boss, yes. Yes, the way I explain to you now. They buy two different lands, according to me. The one way that they are wealth. The man not secure. The one way not concern me. Will you force me? Simple. The man don't even build them. He did that. For those who want to be aware, come and see. My brother, now you what happen. Now they on media. I'm on live now. Thank you very much for calling me, bro. Oh, I greet you, bro. You too much. So that is the point. Thank you, sir. That is the point. All of us will be human beings. He go pay you to when somebody needed your help. You first go tarnish your image. Then you come rock on the head. Make you think now. We'll be human beings. He not get the time I tell near Jesus. Even when they eat for the church Jesus Christ, Papa has to bazaar. Jesus Christ verse for them. He scatter everywhere. Not to talk of me with the ordinary human being. It pains to the bone marrow to see that you are alleging me for what I know nothing about. I know where they cook around. I never want to bring many information. But if not blame outsider, I want to tell you today, don't blame any outsider. Those who expected me to say, I remain in ties, I don't agree. See, I don't dig it. You know, I'm not there again. I don't true. I do in the past. I don't true. If there are new ones, let them continue with if elders of the Oba not to say elders not get right. Elders choose who they say they find. They should carry on. And let me be. So this is the message. I want to tell you, I have time for this. I will keep responding where necessary. Now to that man, nobody will really beg something where you not hear. To that man, because of the number of calls I have received since yesterday, I will involve on your matter. But first, you must come out to first of all apologize to me for alleging me wrongly. Bring her come office. One minute. Wait. Hello, bros. Hello. Hello. Yes. Open of coming. Before. As fast. I don't want anyone here. Nobody will be beg. Will not hear. Have you seen? Nobody will be beg. Will not hear. I know one here. I will get involved. But first, he must come to apologize to me. When you were buying, I was not there. When you were paying, I was not there. When you were building, I was not there. When you were doing everything on that land, despite the fact that I did not eat a dime as a vice chairman on that land, did I ever come there one day to say, stop it? No. let me seek the consent of the past secretary of the community. If he allows me to bring out his phone number, I will do that. Excuse me. Person no dey carry come, you no fit spoil my name. Lala. I no say I good, I no good, but I dey try small small. I know the secretariat. I dey live now, but I no wan put your phone or your voice on live. But if you request say I put am, I will put am. Hello? I say I dey live now. I no wan put your voice on live. But if you say make I put am, I will put am. Okay, good. My brother, secretary, abeg make I put you on live, abeg. Were you aware of any transaction about the former secretariat wey dey say? Good. Let me abeg make I put you on speaker. As the secretary of the community, were you aware of any land transaction in respect to that former secretariat?
No, I was not aware.
Okay. I know we were aware of one particular land that we sold to Mr. Jolly. Apart from that, were you aware of any other land transaction in respect to Mr. Jolly? Eh?
I was never aware.
Good. Now, my honorable secretary, sir, I was shocked yesterday. Online, there was an attack on my person. If this man wants us to assist, he should have called me diplomatically. But as we speak today, sec, God is looking at you, you are a pastor. When they were building that particular secretariat, did we ever, or let me not say we did that ever, went to that site as a result of anger to say stop work because I was not aware?
No, you were. In fact, whoever that alleged you, just alleged you for wrongly because you were never the modern person. I was never the.
Thank you very much. Okay. So, yes, I can hear you.
No, whoever is alleging you, just alleging you for not to take it and something. I was trying to call the chaos in the community. So you were never there at all. Who might say that you take it right now? I was never there.
Okay. Now they want to drag me in. I know where all this is coming from. Now, all because I cannot be fighting land grabbing in another community and come to my own community to begin to say I'm in position. Now, I want to say this. Let me assume that I lied to everybody on social media. And now, I want to say this. Did anybody chase me away from power? Was I not the one who came out to say, you?
Exactly. You know, as a living somebody that you are, like me, you understand, we actually see that nobody can pick us away from the situation. You understand me? Instead, being able to other people to also exercise their own authority and their own ability. You get me? So nobody ever put you away from the situation. You wait from your position.
Thank you very much, Honorable Secretary. Thank you. Now, the man I just called now was the secretary of the community under my regime. Thank you. This is much I have to say. Thank you, Secretary. This is the much I have to say. I will come back again if there are any other need. There's any other need for me to come on. For now, let me do my job. Get it clearly. I know nothing about the man. And if that man really wants my assistance, let him come formally. Call me. So I'm going to hold this to you. For now, I am assuming that I'm not aware. Because you cannot cow me into fighting the fight that I know nothing about. Thank you very much, Amusa. Okay, somebody says I should explain the signature part. Mr. George, you are a man I respect too much. I will do that for your sake, sir. Now, I have said it before. This man who is alleging me, I don't even know him. The man we sold a land to was one Mr. Jolly, which my secretary just confirmed. Mr. Jolly, that land is separate from this land that he's talking about now. That land was about 2 by 2. Well, the cost was 5.5 million. I signed on that land. The youth chairman signed. The secretary signed. And some other persons in the community signed. That was the paper they displayed. It was said the same Mr. Jolly that went to go and buy this other one. I was not there. He did not call me. He did not consult. And they are not calling me on the matter. I have no business whatsoever with that. So thank you very much. This is my explanation in respect to that. For those who have not seen this video, help me to share it. Let it go viral. I'm Osakuna Podi. I want to face my business. As you can see, one of my outstanding secretaries is here. Greet the audience.
Good morning.
Yes, we are ready for the job, the day's job. So for now, we are focused. I want to say a very big congratulations to the outstanding personalities who organized the Edo Social Media Summit. We already know that there will be fights immediately after the summit. That's one. And I want to say thank you to all those who patiently waited to hear my own story. And for those who have been calling me, sorry, I did not pick your call because I was on live. You can start calling me now. I will pick. And if you want to hear from me, I'm ready to express my opinion in respect to this issue. Thank you and bye for now. Hear this one. I'm on you.
Robots and body are not. Radu Bunakere. Just what? Like Benny Amel Papa. Benny Arawan in Rota. Papa. Benny Amel. Just
If you never watch the video wey about Obaze do, e go play after this very video wey you just watch so. So take your time to listen to the one wey Abat do. And after you finish, Let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for the hear all the things where they happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video. Make you help us share them. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.